Hit you with a hot time with some eggs and some bacon. Yeah, you want my address, boy? You ain't afraid of me. You ain't afraid of me, boy. You ain't afraid of me. You want my address? I'll give you my address. Hang on, let me go get a pen and paper, and I'll give you my address. So, did you hook him up with that pen and paper? Boy, I thought you was playing possum.